My name is WZborilD, and this is my driver project for Project and Portfolio 3. For my project, I decided to combine my previous project of the limited movement system and the breakable block system from my fellow game designer, Jason Gino. Now, as shown, the limited movement system still works and still resets your character every time you run out of spaces. But then, in the second level, you are introduced to the breakable blocks. And whenever you interact with them, they also tick down on your action and or movement tile. And for the final level, I mixed the two together and made a bit of a puzzle. It's a fairly simple puzzle, but a puzzle regardless. And going through, as you may notice, every action, including breaking the block, pushing a box away, moving from tile to tile, everything ticks down on that side counter on that one movement tile wall. This is the blueprint for the breakable wall. On the surface, it is just a block with some text renders on it, but the beauty's in the code. Being the child of the interactable blueprint allows the block to be interacted with. Before any of the functionality happens, the blueprint checks if the player character has enough stamina to do this action. Then the blueprint sees if the mineable number is equal or below 0, and it checks if it is or it isn't. If it isn't, every time this is played, it is taken down by an increment of 1. Then the text has to be reset on the text render on top of the character. Then after the text is changed, it sends a message to stamina usage. And if it is 0 or below, it sets can enter to true, sets can be interacted with to false, and destroys the actor, allowing it to be a regular space.